Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Answer: stratosphere. What is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas? Answer: evaporation. Which layer of the atmosphere is closest to the Earth's surface? Answer: troposphere. Which type of cloud is often associated with thunderstorms? Answer: cumulonimbus clouds. What causes the formation of clouds? Answer: condensation of water vapor. What is the process by which water vapor changes directly into ice crystals without becoming a liquid? Answer: sublimation. Which type of cloud is thin, wispy, and often found at high altitudes? Answer: cirrus clouds.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.